Hi, I'm Carmel. I'm the Crazy Cricut Lady. And today we're going to be talking to you in the next in our series in Design Space. There's nothing to be scared of. We're going to be talking about the contour tool. It's a nice way to edit the insides of images. Now say you have this image here. But you don't like all those little circles in the center. You want it just to be straight. You select the image and click Contour. And it gives you a diagram of the image. And sometimes it takes forever to come up, but you can resize it. But this is just a representation of the image. And then you can tell it to hide all the contours. And if you look at it, all of the little circles are gone. But what if you only want to hide some of the image? Okay, all the circles are back now. Say you only want these little circles to disappear. Well, you can go in and select them individually and hide them. Or you can hide them on this little list here. But them being all circles, we don't know which circle is which. So this would be the way you'd want to do that. But if you click it on this menu, see that circle was hidden, but now it's available. And you can move this around so that you can see all of it. And now we've selected all the center circles, and all the center circles are gone. But all the outer circles are still there. This is a way you can change the image so that this whole space is now solid. Now we've got this image. And I'm moving it over here for a reason that you'll see in a minute. Click Contour. Sometimes it's easier when you can see the big image, sometimes it's not. But let's say these are a few too many leaves and I don't want this many leaves. You can go through here and click. And as you can see, those leaves are disappearing. Or, since they're different, you can hide all the contours and the whole thing is covered up. And then I want just the roses to show up. Well, I know what shape the roses are. You can go through and select these. That's a leaf. Or you can go through here and select the flowers this way. I don't want the leaves. Oops. You see, those are just the flowers. Now, I would never do this. It looks weird. But if you wanted to do that with your image, there are two ways for you to select the contours. You can either select them in this section and pick which ones you want, or you can select them over here and pick which ones you want. For instance, we want that one to come back. Oh, maybe we don't. So that's a way you can change images. I know this was a short video, but it's an important thing you need to learn how to do. I don't use this as often, but when I use it, it is very helpful. This is Carmel, the Crazy Cricut Lady, and this was another episode of Design Space. There's nothing to be scared of. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Bye now.